Bro, these side skirts make me so mad. Just so mad. Literally, like they make me just wanna. Boy, oh boy, that last frame would have been the epic thumbnail to use. But look at this, guys. I drove out here to this empty parking lot to make the rest of this video here. So 3 weeks ago, I installed the Extreme Online Store ZL1 gloss black side skirts right here on my 2021 Camaro SS. Now, I'll say they fit a lot better than the Icon Motorsports skirts that I installed on my V6 that you've seen on the channel about 2 years ago. So, we look here. They look great, don't get me wrong. This is the passenger side here. Fit really, really nice. This side, however, the driver's side, has been an absolute turd. I have installed this driver's side skirt 3 times and it continues to give me issues. As you can see, look at the separation. It's pretty much all the way down to about, yeah, it's the whole way, pretty much. Now, the first time I installed them, I used the supplied screws and 3M tape. As you can see them here. This is what they came with. These are extras. And I used some 3M tape because the tape that comes with them is absolute junk. It's not really tape, it's more like a clear sticky stuff. But that's how I installed them the first time, and within 24 hours, the driver's side pulled off. So the second time I installed it, I actually did what I did with my Icon skirts. I actually used 3M tape and a black silicone sealant. That pulled off. And also, this piece here was all the way against the car and it still pulled off. So this time, the third time I installed it, I pulled this out just a little bit and pressed this upper piece against the car like that, sacrificing the way it looks, because obviously that gap there. I pressed this against the car. In less than 24 hours, bam, it did that again. Also need to mention that I've absolutely sacrificed the health of my fingers. They have finally started healing a little bit, but they were completely raw from me rolling that tape off. Goo Gone barely helped any. That 3M tape was stuck on that skirt, so it was actually not sticking to the car as well. But if you see this time, the third time I installed it, it actually did stick to the car and it came off the skirt. See? Came off the skirt, stuck on the car this time. And yes, all, prior things were done. The car was cleaned. I used alcohol to wipe down the car as well. Man, it's hot out here. And still, it pulled away from the car. But as you see, this one right here turned out awesome. Absolutely awesome. You want another Camaro. One of these people are going to turn around. The ZL1 went by a second ago, and the yellow 5th gen just went by. I feel like one of them's going to come up here in a minute because they both were looking. But, yeah, this one turned out awesome. So I'm really starting to believe that my driver's side is just warped. Just warped from factory or warped during shipping, because it has been an absolute pain. I've been installing car parts for a long time. I grew up around doing this kind of stuff. And as far as these cars, I've been doing it for about 5 years now. And I've never had this kind of issue with a part. So I just think it's warped, honestly, guys. And I don't really know if I should just go buy another brand and sacrifice the money I paid for these, or what. So I need to think about my options on that. But so real quick, go down below and leave in the comments a brand that you've used and had great success with. I've heard that ACS Composites is a pretty good brand to go with, so I might check into them. It's a pretty penny more for the skirts. So I think the skirts are like 700 something through ACS Composites. I paid 300 something for these. But hey, maybe the double price is worth it. Yeah, guys, thank y'all for clicking and watching this video. This video is kind of just all over the place, but I felt like it needed to be done. I made some YouTube shorts about it, but mainly wanted to make this so y'all can see I've done it 3 times and what it continues to do. And for y'all to leave some comments on other brands to maybe check out. Once again, I've tried Icon Motorsports as well on my old car. And Actually had to use a sealant like I did on these to get those to stick, but it didn't work on this one. So um, yeah, guys, got a super exciting video. Should be coming out the week after this of a ZL1 bumper conversion install on my friend's 2.0 turbo 2021 Camaro. The one you seen on the ZL1 wing we installed. Shock yellow Camaro, really cool color. So yeah, guys, appreciate y'all watching. Go check out the website, www.jcscustomshop.com. Until next time, peace out.